Honey, look, you've done a great job taking care of the family. But in this area, with today's economic state, Marlo, it takes two when you have a family.
Yeah, it takes two. Me working and you here.
Marlo, just listen to reason.
Reason nothing. I work hard to get the things that this family needs to survive. I scuffle, sacrifice, I've worked 2 jobs just to make ends meet. Just so we can have a piece of this American dream, a little something to call our own. I haven't had to rely on you going outside the home in order to do it, and I'm not about to start now. So don't say nothing to me about working.
Well, your mother worked.
What'd you say?
I said your mother worked.
That's right. Mama worked from sunup to sundown every day but Sunday. Scrubbing somebody else's floors, cleaning somebody else's house for a mere $20 a week. Killing herself just to make ends meet. Mama did it because she had to. My wife don't.
Marlo, I understand all that, but there's no need for me to stay home now. Marlo, you know what I mean. Lydia's old and she's in
Teresa,
school.
I said no.
You being so close-minded, Marlo. This is the 21st century, not 1940. We need the money. Then, wonderful, thick-headed man. Why can't he see? I'm not just asking for me. I'm married to a wonderful, but thick-headed man. Can't he see? I'm trying to help my family. I'm married to a wonderful,